Yeah, I think this is the one he was telling me. So we turned one road too soon.
Yeah.
But it's okay. We'll know next time. Either one, I guess, actually, if you just want to come to the beach.
Yeah.
I don't have beach
Ayun, may
shoes on.
foreigner on bakit baka.
Really? Where?
Is he a foreigner? Ayun o.
I can't see.
Just sitting, ayun o, din the kubo.
Well, I can't see. It's dark for me. I have my sight.
Oh yeah. Ano ba yan? Matumba ta.
Buhangin. We're sinking the
Buhangin. Hello po kuya.
Hello po.
Naramig pangit na. May hinahanap lang po kami.
Ano pang hanap niyo, ma'am?
Ang ganda babe. Pangalan ng tao.
You know, I checked the price on
Oh
these
babe,
skis.
yeah, let's see, let's try. Let's
No,
ask
I
the
checked the
couple.
price
Yeah.
on the jet skis. Oh
Uh-huh.
my God, it's over $1 million.
When you buy it,
No, I was thinking about getting,
getting.
getting something, but damn, not for $1 million.
Well, that's expensive. Maybe that's him.
Yeah, I think this is the one he was talking about.
Yeah.
Is this all
Well, we
part
can
of
go-
the same, or is this different?
What's this? They have a party here every weekends, or it's just a resort?
Hindi ko alam.
Butang, ano ba yan, babe? You don't give me complete details. Unsa man ka, uy?
Hello po.
Kasi anong pangalan yan, babe? ATV ba yan?
ATV po yan.
Ha?
ATV.
Ano ba? Sige, babe. Saan ang maganda, babe? Which one?
The whiteboard, so you can see. That's what I tell you. It's magnetic. See, okay, I got one. Oh, I was just
Ito?
pointing there po.
Asan yung
No, I
pinili
picked
mo?
this one.
Okay, this one.
So bahala ka.
Ikaw pa. So, ikaw ang nasusunod.
Asa may nindot, ha?
Ito na. Mga fair to.
Ito po na siya, babe. Oh.
Kung gusto na. Sana.
Dako kayo na.
Dili ka niyo.
That must have been a site here when they burned this mountain. Look,
Okay
babe.
na. Ito mo siya pagbutang.
Ako na magbutang si Mate. Dili. Dili ko. Pagod kayo.
Burning here.
Kapoy ka na.
No, this is the one who got burned last week. Ito yun.
Didn't burn down there.
Inyan na lang te.
Sige, kuya. Nga na lang.
Wala sa man ka te.
Nga lang, sa San Antonio ako.
Let me look at the
Yes, babe. Go.
ATV while you're.
Go,
Yung
babe.
lugar.
Ha?
Yung